Hello, in today's video you'll be learning how to do stop motion with sound. So first of all, you want to go to the App Store and download an app called Stop Animator. As you can see, I already have this downloaded, but you should download this and then you'll be brought to this page once you open the app. Click the Start button and start taking pictures of whatever you're going to animate or make move. I'm going to be animating this little tiny toy plane and making it move across this table. First I take a picture, then I move the plane a little, take another picture, move it a bit more, take another picture, and so on till it reaches the other end of the table. And once you've done that, you click Finish, and you'll usually get an annoying ad, but just wait for that to disappear, I guess. And then it would have automatically been saved to your photos. So go to your photos, and you have your stop animation. But something's missing, right? That missing is you don't have any sound, so yeah. So to get sound, you first have to download an app called CapCut. So go to your App Store once more and download CapCut. As you can see, I already have this downloaded. And once you open it up, you want to click Add New Project. Click that X and Add New Project. And click on your new made video and click Add. And that's your video. And to add sound or music, you want to click Add Audio. And click Effects. And then you can choose a sound, or if you want a specific sound, you can search it up. And as you can see me searching it, so I'm gonna search up engine sounds. Now sometimes you don't get those specific sounds, and that can be annoying sometimes. So you can voice over, or if you have an extracted sound, you can add that in. But I'm gonna go for some background music instead. And so once you've chosen one, you can see that the sounds are sometimes extremely long. So what you want to do is click to the end of the audio and just move that to the side to shrink the length of the audio to the point where you just want it. And there you go. You get your stop motion with sound. And if you want to add a title or cover, you click on the cover and write whatever you want. So plane, actually I'll go moving because it is moving, so I'll go with that. And you can adjust it, and yeah. And once that's done, click save to that, and you want to click that export button at the very corner of your screen. And once it's exporting, have a little check to see if it's all good, and then click done. Now go into your photos, and there you have it. Your, I guess you could say, stop motion video with sound. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah.